was a police chief somewhere around Dallas, Fort Worth, retired. And he said that he felt like when it become more work than enjoyment, that he was going to get off the trail.
Really?
Right.
And you start up north and you're going to start seeing people who are all plugged in and just walking. You know, I never wanted to do that.
Yeah, why make it a treachery?
I see people now that look like walking zombies, and they're only a few hundred miles in.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I mean, if it's going to kill you, not enjoy it, why do it? I would have thought do it even if you hiked a week and stopped in a town that you liked and hung out a while.
Well, you should see the backpackers coming through the White Mountains. I was doing just a day hike and they've done it all.
All right, here I am in my rental car. Freezing and raining today, and tomorrow I will probably be sweating my butt off in Florida. Headed home for recovery. So I'm at Buc-ee's here south of Atlanta in Warner Robins, I think the exit is. And I hear the car alarms and the crazy. I can't believe that like 36 hours ago, I was surrounded by running water, leaves blowing in the wind, the chicken running down the trail that I couldn't catch up with and get on video. And now, this is my reality. Complete and utter chaos.